welcome to KP Academy. In this video we have learned concept of operating system. So first of all, what is a process? Process is the execution of a program that performs the actions specified in that program. Or it can be defined as an execution unit where a program runs. For example, when you want to search something on web, then you start a browser. So the creation of the process and the termination of the process will change its state, means process is created in different states. So there are different states. There is a process state diagram. So first state is new. In that, when process is created, it enters the new state. After the process has created, then it is ready for execution. When it is ready to be executed, but actually it's not executed and it is waiting to be assigned to CPU, then it is called ready state. In running state, allocating the process to the CPU for execution means when it is selected by the CPU scheduler and it is assigned to CPU when it is being executed. So once the scheduler gives the CPU to a ready process, that ready process is in the running state. The running process can be interrupted so that context switch is performed. This would move the running process back into the ready state. Okay, in waiting state, the process is waiting for IO or for an event to occur. When the event occurs, the IO operation completes, the process will become ready again. If the process is going to be executed, it requires two states. Process has required two states. First is CPU time and another one is IO time. So what is a CPU time? It requires for the CPU to execute this process, means it is done by the CPU. All the CPU operations will be done by the CPU, that is called as CPU time. Next, if the process requires some IO operation to be executed, then automatically there is one more state called block or wait state. Block or wait, and another process will be allocated to CPU. Okay. Finally, when a running process finishes all operations in the program, then the process will be moved from the running state to the terminated state. This is denoted that exit of the process. That means the process will transfer from main memory to the hard disk. So these are the different 5 states that are present in the process: new, ready, running, waiting and terminated. Thank you.